This is the guardian of Bucovina. This, my friends, is the egg museum. You will see a lot of eggs. I'm not telling this in Romanian because it's gonna sound weird. Must come and visit. I cannot show you all, but you must come and visit. So here is 50,000 models. This is the friendly dog from the museum. The friendly dog is a guard dog from the egg museum. Guard, hai că mă lingeai. This is Bucovina, my friends, on a very fragile bridge. Maximum 10 people. This is how you play basketball. This, my friends, is the John Twig Museum. It's a writer from our childhood, and these stories are made in real life to see. Here is Babushka holding a broom to beat her children. And now you will see the most famous one. The bear who is fooled by the fox, and that's why he has his tail short. And the cock with rooster with money, let's say. It says 2 cents. Let's say 2 cents for Western spice. Here is a babushka oven. They make these beautiful, delicious snacks. Here we have a story that is called The Goat with 3 Kids. Trust me, if you translate it in Google, it's the same shit. They were chased by the wolf. He was there on the right. And here is a authentical old Romanian home with lots of carpets on the wall, yeah, to keep it warm. And these, my friends, these were used to make their weed nice to smoke, yeah. Here's some more carpets on the wall and some very beautiful women, as you see how pale they look. And this is how they used to make their clothes, their beautiful colorful clothes. Babushka was staying there. This machine is called a war. Yeah, and we're leaving this museum with the tools for weed. And this is the house of the writer, the John Twig of Romania. And here, my friends, the last stop, the ass of Moldova in translation. And as I said before, here you will find the Guardian. And of course, we're ending this on a beautiful note with a big hora.